I want to show you how to use the OpenAI Agents SDK to build your first voice agent in Python. The SDK allows developers to build multi-agents in Python and TypeScript. Using the SDK, you can build both text generation agents and voice-based agents. To build your first voice agent with the SDK, you should set up a voice pipeline. The voice pipeline consists of an input audio from the user, which is sent to a speech-to-text component for transcription. The transcripted message is then forwarded to an LLM to convert the text to speech, and the final voice output is what the user hears within 500 to 800 milliseconds. So to get started with your first voice agent in Python, launch your favorite code editor. In this example, we are going to use Cursor. You should set up a virtual environment in Python and activate it. Then you install OpenAI and the OpenAI Agents SDK. After the installation, you add the following imports to import all the necessary modules. In this example, we want to create a simple real-time voice assistant that can answer weather questions and also hand off the conversation to a language-speaking agent if needed. So over here, we create this function tool to get the weather of a given location. Then we create a language-speaking agent. The SDK supports a large number of languages. In this example, we are using a Finnish language. So if a user speaks in Finnish, we want to hand off the task to a Finnish agent with this instruction. Over here, we specify the LLM as GPT-4o Mini. Next, we create the main agent with instruction, the model we want to use, and specify the handoff agent, as well as getting the weather tool. Then over here, we build a voice pipeline around the main agent we created previously, and run the pipeline consisting of a speech-to-text component, an LLM, and text-to-speech component. Finally, we create an audio player and play the audio stream. So I will go to the terminal and run the file. You have noticed here the file name is firstvoiceagent.py. I will press the return key.
Moi! Kuinka voin auttaa sinua tänään?
So this example consists of a simple agent voice workflow. So there is no 10x10 conversation. I will make another video whereby you can speak to the agent and interrupt it. After running this simple example, we can see all the traces on the OpenAI dashboard. So you log into your OpenAI dashboard and go to the section logs. You have noticed here, this is the example we just ran. So this is the text version of what we heard from the agent. That means how can I help you? So we have the agent traces and other details. That is how you can build your first voice agent in Python using the OpenAI Agents SDK.